Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to delete all framing. So as example, I will create new framing. You can go to build, click on framing, and then click build framing. So as example, I will create for the wall framing. Click OK, and you can see we have framing in this all walls. If you want to delete this all framing, you can go to edit menu, click on the delete objects. After it, you can go to framings and then check for wall framing. Click yes, and then click delete to delete all framing. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to delete all framing. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.